good. Go ahead. Tell me the history.
Well, you're looking at a 1969 744. It was a race sled. It's one of 4 known built. It is definitely an original motor. One of 56 ever built. That was given to Ski-Doo, Polaris, and Arctic Cat to race in 1969. The chassis is way ahead of its time. In 69, that was the idea, was to get the chassis built, and they made the motors even for racing. So this was in a collection for a number of years, and finally got released, changed hands twice till I wound up with it.
And you're saying from the factory, it's basically the 70 and up, basically, suspension?
The chassis, yeah.
And that's from the fact, basically the prototype to the 70 suspension.
Correct.
Okay.
That's eventually what they went to in the 71. It's under the skids under the King Cats.
Okay. And it's got its own unique bulkhead.
Yep.
And is that clutch factory or is that?
Yeah. Well, it was back in the day.
Okay.
The racing clutch they used then. I believe it's called a power block.
Okay.
Don't quote me on that. The motor itself is a JLO pump motor lower end, and the top end is 100 over dome pistons. It's got 195 pounds per cylinder of compression with direct through hull exhaust.
And it's got a beautiful sound to it.
There's the ice pizza cutters on it as well.
Yep. Now, was this mostly for like oval or cross country or what?
They raced oval.
Oval? Were they pretty successful?
Yeah, Roger Jansen won in '69 with the same sled. His had the megaphones out the side, but it was the same motor.
It wasn't a Montana pipe, but it was like similar.
Just a megaphone pipe sticking out the side versus down through the bottom.
Versus a shorty.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful sled. And how many did you say were roughly built?
4.
4?
It's alleged according to Boss Cat.
Boss Cat, okay. Now, is that the original number it raced under?
No, that was just something I added. It didn't have the numbers, but that was the numbers they had in the day.
Okay. Do you know of any racing history this particular one has, by any chance?
I don't.
You don't?
It was in, gentleman Ed, I think Staub it was, owned Snowgoer. Or snow stuff, and he passed away, and it was in his private collection for a number of years. And then when everything got auctioned, that's how it got out.
And you have quite an Arctic Cat collection that I can see here.
A couple, yeah.
Oh, thank you very much for showing me it, and thanks for running around. That was awesome. It does have a cool sound to it.
We had it out to Midwest Nationals, and I came by. We were off to the side, and I started up in Grove, and I think everybody was down in.
Everyone came outside.
It was like, what is that? Because it doesn't have that sound of the Stinger.
No,
it's just got a sound of all its own.
It's a very low rumble, kind of like muscle car kind of sound to it. It's awesome.
What do you guys? How much finish riding? I just sold one of them.
I love it.
I
also like your jacket too. That's very appropriate. Is that actual of the era too?
Yeah. Yeah, they called it the Icelander jacket.
Icelander?
Yeah. I actually got. I probably should have put this on when I went. I actually probably should have put this on too.
Oh, you got the helmet too? That's sweet. And that is an early helmet too, because it's a 69 and older.
Yeah, you got the 69 Snell.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's a 69 helmet.
So that was like a new old stock probably when you found it?
Yeah.
Wow. That's sweet. You're in love. You're getting your Arctic Cat fixed today, aren't you? Well, can you state one more time your name and where you're from, please?
Anthony Perlino. I'm from Holland, New York, about 40 minutes south of Buffalo.
All right. So you drove a little ways to get here then?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.